Susan Gehring, and I'm an attorney with Palmer Law Group. I'm here today to talk to you about when to seek representation. Oftentimes, one of the first questions we have when we talk with a client on the phone or a potential client is, I'm not really sure if I need a lawyer, but here's what's going on. So, when do you need a lawyer, or when should you consult a lawyer? To be honest, it really depends. And the first question is, we represent clients that are involved in car wrecks. We represent clients that are involved in potential medical malpractice cases as well. And so knowing the legal process involved and what do you have to show to be able to bring a claim of negligence against another driver or a claim of negligence against a provider. So one of the things is, do I have a case? Can I bring a case? So that's something that, we look at the facts of your case. We talk with you. We go over things that are very specific to the personal event that you went through. And in doing so, we go over, what do you have to show in a case? What are the legal things that have to occur before we could potentially investigate on your behalf? Or what does the process look like? I think oftentimes there's legal jargon that's thrown around that's very confusing for individuals who are trying to navigate this world. Oftentimes we start off of, if you have a case, here's how the process would look. In our car wreck cases, oftentimes clients are going through a very difficult time in their lives, whether a car wreck just happened or whether it's something that happened a while ago and they tried to handle the process themselves, but it just gets out of hand. They don't get to focus on what really is key, and that's getting better or taking time to do what you need for your own personal health, your own personal mental health. So really, when clients come in the first time, we go over the process, and our job is to make a client's life easier. It's to help show them, if you become represented, if you become one of our clients, we're going to help hold your hand and walk you through this process. Because there are certain things that a lawyer can understand right off the bat that maybe your everyday person doesn't understand. And so really the first step is sometimes just learning what potentially a lawyer can help do for you. And so while this video is just for informational purposes only, if you think you have a potential case, there's no harm in calling and asking, I think I may have a case, but I'm not sure. I need to understand what is required legally for me to pursue a case. And then also, how does this process work? How do I go about, if I file a case, what does that mean for me? How long does it take? Those are all certain questions that can be answered during our first meeting with a client. And so we would recommend that if you have a case, if you think you may have a case, you should reach out to us. We're always available to take phone calls. Our phone number is 785-233-1836. Again, this video is just for informational purposes, but we hope that if there is a case for you, we would love to represent you, and feel free to give us a call.